Here we are at the Transparency Station, and you've got a secret trick that you use with this overhead projector.
I do. Joni, it's the easiest, most simplest way to get an image from here onto our piece of foam or cardboard, whatever.
That's great.
See, what I've done is I've done the transparency with a marker. We have our
Okay.
foam all set up. We're going to turn that on.
And simple, and suddenly you see all the things that you need to trace, and it's right there for you.
That's exactly it. So what I did is I call my loosey-goosey here, a little bit of a sketch, and you can see here is we're creating a top and bottom for all our stalactites and stalagmites to attach to. So we have to create our top and bottom that we can glue to so they can be freestanding. So what we have here is just our bases. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut
this
out.
is the floor of the cave.
That's exactly right.
Okay.
That's exactly right. So we're going to
Got
cut
it.
out 6 of these, and these are going to become our bases for our cave.
And what size do we make them then?
Right now I have everything drawn up at a 4x8, so I've split it in half, so they're 2x8 bases.
Okay, so what I like about that is you've already planned by the size of the styrofoam.
I did.
So that we can maximize the use of that.
Absolutely.
Great idea.
Bruce is using overhead projectors to project our cave transparencies onto foam. Check around your church to see if they have a projector stashed in a closet somewhere, or you might be able to borrow one from another church or school. You can move your projector closer or farther from your foam to make our stalactites bigger or smaller to fit your space. It also helps to turn off the lights and cover your windows so you can see your projected image better.